Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Meta Platforms. The report was first published on our website Friday, April 29, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Meta Platforms? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Meta Platform stock with a -3.176 score, and our system has ranked Meta Platform sell candidates since April 29, 2022. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Meta Platforms, our last headline reads, Evaluation of Meta Platforms Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock price fell by -2.56% on the last day, Friday, April 29, 2022, from $205.73 to $200.47. During the day the stock fluctuated 6.29% from a day low at $199.90 to a day high of $212.48. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -4.6% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -52 million shares and in total, 50 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.96 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $384.33, and the lowest price was $169. Right now the price is 47.84%, or $183.86, below 52-week high at $384.33, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -12.86% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -24.04% and 23.36%. The 12-month trend indicates a -33.03% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -41.45% and -0.35%. This equals a price between $117.38 and $199.77 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta Platform stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Meta Platforms stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Meta Platforms. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, April 27, 2022, and so far it has risen 14.59%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Meta Platforms Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $209.87. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $188.75. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see Short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 86 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 146 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta platforms. Meta Platforms Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $198.45, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $12.58 between high and low, or 6.29%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.79%. The stock has a beta of 1.39. This tells us that Meta Platforms is 0.39 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta Platforms. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta Platforms currently has a price-earning ratio of 16.07. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta Platforms meets first resistance at $205.73. If you do not hold Meta Platforms shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta Platforms finds first level of support at $198.45, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta Platforms is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insights trades have been done by Newstead Jennifer, whom have bought and sold 2,234 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insights trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 33.448. In total, the insiders bought 666,735 and sold 338,569 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Meta Platforms stock a buy? Meta Platforms Incorporated holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 2nd, we expect Meta Platforms to open up $3.81 and start trading at $204.28. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.